Guys, so kasi panibagong video. So ngayon gagawa tayo ng blue lemonade slime. Ayan, magpapagupit na din ako soon. Ayan, so bago tayo mag-start, mag-join na kayo sa DFABAM. Ang gagawin nyo lang is mag-subscribe at ito notification nyo katabi ng subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa every video na mag-upload or update ako sa inyo. So yan, inspired siya kay Micah Gozum. Medyo nauuso na kasi siya, so try ko na gawin. And yun, clear glue. Yan, clear glue. Yan, borax activator. Yan, gumawa ko ng clay na lemon. Yan, nakagawa ko lang. Cute niya. Bowl, spoon. So, napunta yung paint. Kailangan natin ng blue na paint. At saka, random add-ins. Pinili ko microphone beads kasi trip ko lang. So, yan. Yan yung mga shoutouts yung nalagay ko sa screen. So, mag-start.
First, we add the clear glue. Yes, I kind of added a lot, but I don't really care. It's kind of hard to find clear glue in stores, so that's kind of sad. I don't know why I finished them all, but yeah, there's still a little bit inside. So next, you add the paint, the blue paint for the blue lemonade something, because it's blue, right? I have tasted blue lemonade before, like 3 times, and it was super delicious. It's so sugary. If the food is sweet with chocolates and something, I love sweets more than fast foods. Yeah, I love sweets so much. It won't hurt me anything. How sweet it is, it's okay. Some people say that it's too sweet, but for me, nah, I'm good. But after we add the paint, let's just activate it. Yeah, I know, it's kind of fast. But make sure to stir it slowly so it doesn't earn that much air bubbles. Yes, I just want it to be clear so that it's see-through. So I'll just speed up the video so that you could not wait. Much better. Now that it's speed up, let's just mix and mix until it turns into the beautiful blue lemonade slime base. Yeah, that's me mixing. It's super fast, I know. So that's me mixing, and I added some add-ins. Just wait. Okay.
Yan, tapos na siya. Yan na guys, so tapos na siya. Ang ganda niya, maganda yung texture niya. Medyo thick siya, ewan ko bakit. Pero ayan. Tapos na siya. Yan. So, kunin natin yung container. Tanggalin muna natin yung lemon. Lagay ko na sa gilid.
No way, I'm not doing a slime collection with these slimes because I'm gonna sell them for some reason. So yeah.
Yan, unti lang. Yan. 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 So, lagyan din natin ng glitters. Saan ko ba nilagay yun? Where did I put that? Ito. Sa baba. Yan. Sorry sa kapatid ko guys. Sobrang ingay niya. I know. Yan. Yan. Kaunti lang. Yan na siya. And, yun. Since tapos na siya, ang gagawin natin is papaghalo na natin. Mas maganda pala yung ganito. Hindi na siya magiging clear kasi may clay na siya. Pero yan. Sigurado magiging green to. Yan, naganda siya. Yan na guys, so nagiging green na siya. Yan o. Tapos medyo nagiging stiff. Yan na guys, hindi na siya clear. Pero hindi pa rin ang kulay. Parang siyang matcha slime. Ano? So yan na guys yung ending result natin sa blue lemonade slime. Ang ganda naman siya, sobra. Yan. So yung mga shoutouts na lagay ko sa screen. Yan na guys yung ending result. Naging ano siya? Parang matcha green color. Parang siyang pulp. Ayan. Ang ganda naman na siya. At yung maganda yung texture niya kapag clear glue and clay. Ganda siya.
So, yun na guys yung ending result. And sana guys, na-enjoy niyo yung video. Mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-share. Click notification bell to see my newest videos or ma-update kayo. Yan. Ganda. Check na rin yung Facebook page ko. So, Dayan Feliz Marciano. Yan yung FB pangalan ko. And yun. Yan na siya. Parang siyang lime. Diba guys? Parang lime. Buti guys, nilagay ko na microfoam beads. Kasi mukha siyang lime. So, yun na guys yung ending results. Sana guys na-enjoy yung video. Mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-share. Click notification bell to see my newest videos. And yun. Bye!